Hello everyone and welcome back to another Coaching AI tutorial, where data meets game day strategy. My name is Dan, and in this quick walkthrough we are diving into how Coaching AI transforms raw football data into a strategic edge for coaches, analysts, and sport executives. So today we are going to talk about the insights section. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have an elegant and simple search bar, and we can type anything. We can use the filters or also the voice assistant. But before that, we just scroll down a little bit, and you're looking to the Game Insight comparison table. This is a powerful tool that puts real-world results side by side with AI predictions, from the actual game outcome to what Coaching AI predicted, to the 4-down calls, timeouts used, and of course, the coach behind the wheel. Okay, so now let's go back to our search bar, and over there we can enter any team. Let's say the Philadelphia Eagles. Okay, so now let's click on Analyze. And at the core of Coaching AI is the CPAS, the Coaching Performance Assessment Score, a single number that reflects a coaching staff's strategic execution, mental discipline, and adaptability across every game cycle. For the Eagles, that number is 73.2, but the magic lies in the layers beneath. Offensive and defensive results, up to 4 points this week, driven by consistent quarterback performance and offensive line protection. Situational performance, also up 4, thanks to sharp third-down execution and better red zone conversions. But for example, penalties and mental errors tell a different story, dropping 3 points after a week of high-pressure mistakes. Meanwhile, player development is thriving, especially on defense. Then key decisions making and injury management round out the picture, revealing a team growing in resilience, rotation, and game IQ. With Coaching AI, you just don't see the numbers, you see the why. And you can see that each data point is translated into AI-generated insight, giving you the full narrative behind every coaching trend. At the unit level, CPAS dives even deeper. Offensive efficiency, play calling, red zone execution, all score and tracked across each unit. No guesswork, just clarity. Now let's go to coaching staff breakdown. And over here you can see, all the different coaches. So we can start with the head coach, Nick Sirianni, and you can see all the different data, the 4 years that he's working as a head coach. Then you have the different things like the grade, the rating, the SQAI score, and the net win percentage. At the same point, you can see the coach AI evaluation with different, metrics like the tactical clarity, adaptability, leadership communication, and of course, what is most important, the performance trends. So again, similar to our table in the CPAS, we can read all the different metrics that we have for each one of the things. Something that is very, very interesting and also, very cool is the filter that we have over here. So we can select, a specific gear, and of course, we'll have a different result. And we can do the same thing, for the offensive coordinator, the defensive coordinator, etc. So now, moving on, we can go to the unit performance overview. And over here also, you have something very interesting. So you can have, a grade score for the specific unit. So for the offensive unit, in this case, we have A-, for the defensive unit, B, and for the special team, B+. And you have like a very, nice summary, concise, but this is like a point of view, from AI and what Coaching AI is telling you. You have also different metrics, and you have the NFL rank table, specifically in offensive, defense, and special teams. And of course, also with the performance trends, we are focusing on the season, the offense score, the defense score, special teams score. And what is also kind of interesting is we have the AI insight, and this is giving us a different point of view. Now, moving on, also we go to the situational coaching effectiveness. So over here is a very, 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 nice graphic, as you can see. So, we are trying to translate what we see on the field, but on data. And we have, different metrics. So we have the goal, the success, the goal fail, the punt, and all the different things, and how we also divide the different areas of the pitch. And over here we specify also like 4-down, the red zone, the timeouts, the challenges. And for example, over here we have the specific data about the decision style, the key highlight, and also, as usual, our AI insight. And of course, for more information, also we have the situational decision breakdown. When this happened, where it happened, the challenges, the timeout usage, etc. Now, we can go to the SQAI Intelligence. And over here also you notice different things, but the most important is the emotional tone breakdown. So you can see, like by season, week 1, 2, etc. All the different metrics that we qualify. For example, if it's assertive, collaborative, defensive, cautious, emotional, neutral. And how is the speech in this case, from Nick Sirianni. So how exactly, he refers in the different press conferences, how it evolves, from week to week. And of course, this is related to the emotional tone range that probably, in case they are winning games or losing games, this will change. And at the same time, we have, an AI evaluation, and also, the speech summary behavior. Now we go to the predictive coaching forecast. So over here, something similar. We have the situational prediction chart, which actually we focus, on different metrics, as you can see. And we also put this on a chart. So we focus on the situation, the predicted action, the confidence, and also we have the AI insight. And, to just visualize it easily for any user, for the prediction, we have, a very big card. So we tell the user what exactly, we as a platform, we think that will happen. And also we make sure to add the context so it can be easy for any user to understand more about the team. And some other interesting information like the recent trend, the tactical note, and the forecast context. The insight section is where data becomes a strategy. It's more than a dashboard. It's a curated lens into the decisions that define the team's identity. By surfacing trends in the red zone efficiency, third down conversions, explosive plays, and beyond, it empowers coaching staffs to lead with clarity, not guesswork. Backed by AI-generated interpretations and visualized over time, the Insight section helps you to connect performance with purpose, so every decision is informed, intentional, and impactful. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for everything, and I see you guys in the next one. See you. Bye-bye.